and gentlemen, let's give a warm round of applause to our jury member from France, Monsieur Michel Holz, who is experiencing the AUTOBEST Gala for his first time tonight, and he will hand over the SAFETYBEST 2023 award.
Hello, everybody. Everyone is talking about the autonomous car, especially for the car brand and the press, but every time the manufacturer of cars called Mercedes, called Peugeot, are telling us it's our innovation, it's our invention. Tonight, we have to mention the real inventors of this really innovation, Valeo, and I have a chance, I'm French, and tonight, I think it's, I don't, if you think that, but every prize are French. That's a good thing. That's why I'm really pleased to give this prize to Valeo and to his represent to us, Clément Nouvel. Thank you. And it's coming with his LiDAR, and everyone this night will going back with his own LiDAR. Maybe we're lost. Come home with me. Maybe we're lost. Come home.
So I came equipped indeed, and on behalf of Valeo, I'd like to thank you very much for this award and express how proud we are as Valeo, indeed, a supplier, to receive this award, as it recognizes several things that are very dear to our heart. The first thing is that autonomous driving, as we mentioned, doesn't come, even though LiDAR is here for autonomous driving, there is a prerequisite, or it acknowledges that we need safety first. And that's the first reason why we are extremely proud to receive this award here as a supplier. The second one is that Valeo, invested in LiDAR 10 years ago, more than 10 years ago, was actually a decision from Jacques Aschenbroich, the CEO at that time. And it's been a long journey developing several generations of LiDARs. This time, we are rolling out our third generation LiDAR, which is going to make sure that you can drive safely and autonomously at high speed. And this is indeed the small baby that I brought here. We are very proud of this, and it also epitomizes what Valeo is today. Valeo celebrated its 100 years. I know that among you, 100 years might not mean a lot because you and most of these companies are even more than that, but Valeo is 100 years old, and that's a very innovative company, which today is a company that has patented a lot and is also synonym of innovation, as this LiDAR shows. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Monsieur Nouvel.
He has a better English accent than me.